Under the glow of fireworks, let us journey through whispers of history. Or, in the silence between explosions, listen to the heartbeat of our nation. Beneath the thunderous applause of fireworks lies the silent strength of our forefathers. On this Independence Day, we weave words of freedom, threading the needle through the fabric of history. Each burst of light, a testament to battles fought and won, each echo, a reminder of the liberty we cherish. Today, we stand united, our hearts swelling with pride as we honor the architects of our independence. Let the spirit of this day ignite your soul as we remember not just the joy of freedom, but the price at which it was bought. Happy 4th of July. May freedom forever ring in the whispers of our unity.